Students, thank you. And just to remind you, I'm teacher Nathan Oigo. I'm mathematics and physics teacher. I'm actually taking this noble course so that to make mathematics enjoyable and also easy to work with, and also to make mathematics lesson available to the student whenever they are. So today I just wanted to go through one question. That is a question that is talking about factorization. As you can see on your screen, they're saying that you factorize, that is 3x squared minus 8 plus 4. Now, if you look at that particular, that is an expression that you require to introduce brackets. And to introduce brackets here, what we are going to do, we are going to use factorization method, whereby I look for the product. In this case, the product is A multiplied by C, and the sum is going to be B. Remember, our A here is actually 3, that is the coefficient of x squared. B is the coefficient of x, which is 8, and the last one, C, is the constant 4. Now, once I have those constant, then I should get two numbers, that is the product, and for this case, the product should be 3 by 4, which is 12, and the sum should be the coefficient of x, that is going to be negative 8. Once you are at that point, you are supposed to look for two numbers, that those two numbers or two factors, such that the two factors, when multiplied, gives you 12, when added, gives you negative 8. And by look of things, those two factors from here, we are going to see that they are going to be 6 and 2. But we have to realize which one will be negative. So I'll put this one to be negative 6 and negative 2, so that negative 6 and negative 2 gives you negative 8. The multiplication of the two gives you 12. Once you are at that point, you now take these two factors and break the coefficient of x squared. How do we do this? I write it as 3x squared into bracket negative 6, negative 2, close the bracket, x, and then plus 4. So I've broken this number 8 into negative 6 and negative 2. Once at that particular point, then I'll expand it, and I'm going to have 3x squared. Then I'll multiply this and this to have negative 6x. Then I'll multiply this and this to have negative 2x. And then I'll have plus 4. Now realize that I've broken this number into negative 6 and negative 2, but if you sum it, you go back to that. Once you are at that particular point, we factorize it now by grouping, put them together. So in the first bracket, we are going to have the common factor being 3 into, what remains there is x minus 2. On the second one, the common factor is 2 into x minus 2. So what we do next at this particular juncture is that this number outside the bracket, we combine them, and we are going to have 3x minus 2, close the bracket, and then whatever that is inside the bracket, we take one of them, which will be now x minus 2. And this one that we've gotten is now the factorized expression of the above given expression. And that's how simple we end up factorizing such an expression. I believe that short demonstration will actually motivate you to work more on other questions related to factorization. Thank you, and remember to subscribe and also follow me, like it, and share so that we can have more students benefiting. Thank you, and be blessed.